Hello again from the Aliante Library. My name is Patrick. I'm a family services librarian here at Aliante. Today we have a couple of experiments that are basically the same. We're going to put food coloring and add food coloring to water, and then we're going to see how water absorbs into the plants. And so we are going to use a flower and we're going to use celery. Some work better than others, but that's part of the fun of the experiment. You can also experiment with different lengths of celery or leave the leaves on the celery. You can do all sorts of variations of this experiment, but I think one thing you're going to see, super easy to do. You probably even have celery in your house right now and food coloring, and it's a great thing for kids to observe. So let's see how it works.
We are going to mix some colored water. We're going to use celery. I'm going to make it nice and blue, and nice and red to try to give us a good contrast, and hopefully get a good look at the colors working their way through the little capillaries or veins of the celery. So we will put this in there, this one in here, and then we will check back in a little bit and see if there's any obvious action of the movement of water through the little capillaries of the celery. Super easy to do. All right, this is about 1 hour later, and it's looking pretty cool actually. If I spin it around, you can see where it's moving up the little veins and coming to the top. Same with the other one. So I'm going to leave it in there, and we will check on it later.
This is what the celery looks like after about 12 hours. You can see that it's gone a lot to the top of the celery. Super easy to do, and you can see the effects of how water travels through.
We are going to add our food coloring. Try to make the most vibrant colors we can. So we're going to do blue and red and green. If it's matching the cap, it'll be pink, but we'll see what we get. Now I will stir it. And then if you get your flowers, you're going to want to make a fresh cut on there, because sometimes this gets dried out and it prevents the little veins from picking up. So I'll try to get them all to match the same length, roughly. And I think I'm going to put the green one in, a blue one, and then I think I'm going to add even a little bit more red just to see if we can get it to get a little darker. Then we are going to add this one. We are going to let them sit, and we'll time it and let you know how much time has elapsed. And we will be back.
It's a very easy experiment, something you can do at any time and create your own variables So encourage your children, and if you are a young person, get out there and experiment and try different flowers and different types of plants and see what happens. That's part of the fun. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you look at the city's YouTube page and find other STEAM videos. Thanks.